got a man next to you, Tracy, who's had plenty of joy in this last year after being the #1 overall pick, Deandre Ayton. Welcome back to the show. We always love having you on there. I'm going to make you an analyst right away. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Who do you trust more tonight in Game 1 in this building? You've got the Raptors, but it's their first finals game ever. You got the Warriors, but they're without KD. Who you got?
Well, to be honest, the Raptors have a huge advantage.
Really?
This is history, so I think the first punch, hopefully, I don't think it's going to be a knockout, but it's going to be a blow.
Okay.
Yes, and
all right.
the Warriors are going to take care of the Warriors. You know, they're going to stay within their structure, without or with KD.
Right. All right. So you didn't make him say that, did you? Tracy's trying to convert everyone to the Raptors right now. It's all good. All right. I want to ask you, though, about your rookie year. Came in with such high expectations, #1 overall pick. You put up some fantastic offensive numbers. We're going to show them here in a minute. But I want to ask you, because several times when I talked to you through the year, it seemed like you weren't living up to the standard you wanted. How would you grade yourself?
I'll say average.
Yeah?
No, I know I could have done a lot more this season in a lot of games, but I just felt that, I didn't show what I'm really capable of, but I'm glad.
Okay.
After all the losses we got, I learned from every single one. Talked to guys that were there before me, and just try to get as much wisdom to be a great player.
Here's what I want to say for him, because I look at, I had a problem with a lot of these big guys in the league that hasn't developed a game back to the basket, with their back to the basket. And I think for him, because a lot of teams, especially in the West, they like to play small ball. And I think at your size, with your skill set, you have to develop that back to the basket game to where you punish these guys to where small guys can't switch on you, because there's a lot of switching going on in the NBA. And I think if you develop that along with the outside jump shot, you'll be unstoppable.
Look, he's got your old friend, your old teammate coaching him now. Monty Williams coming in to be the new coach. How much is he going to help him develop his game?
I think Monty's going to help tremendous with his development. He knows the game, learned under Popovich, who has a great basketball mind. His basketball acumen is up with the best. So I think Monty would do wonders for not only you, but for your team.
Going to be a lot of fun. We can't wait to see you.